can't. You can never smell that on somebody's breath.
Hold on. Listen.
You're a fucking idiot.
Listen, Lauren, please.
You didn't look at me when I asked you to look at me, so fuck you. He said I was secured. Oh, you're done, bro.
Welcome to EJV BODYCAM. Around 3:15 in the morning on January 31st, 2025, officers Anish Baizi and David Chikara with the Hoboken Police Department were dispatched to the area of 14th Street and Willow Avenue. The call? A woman was reportedly screaming, running through the street, and even jumping on cars. When they arrived, they quickly made contact with the woman, later identified as 33-year-old Lauren Mullins. Officers recognized the situation wasn't new for her. Lauren has a documented history of arrests related to intoxicated and disorderly behavior.
Awesome, I see your badge. Don't care who you are.
Relax.
I am not under arrest.
Relax.
I am free to leave.
Stop.
I am not under arrest. I am free to leave.
All right.
I am not under arrest.
Stop moving.
So,
Stop moving.
I'm not under arrest.
You're being held
Hold on.
for your safety.
Oh, awesome.
Relax. Relax. We're concerned about you. You got anything to drink tonight?
Nope.
How much have you had to drink, sir?
Like 2 drinks.
It seems like a little bit more than that. I can smell it on your breath. Okay?
First of all, you can never smell that on somebody's breath.
Hold on.
You're a fucking idiot.
Listen to me. Listen to me. My name is Ron. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? My name's Ron. What's your name?
My name is Lauren.
Lauren. Okay.
Your
Lauren.
name is I have a degree and I will fucking destroy you.
Okay. Lauren. Listen to me.
You saw me. You were there.
Hey, but why
Are you
are you
kidding?
running on the streets? Why are you running around the streets right now? Why are we running around the streets right now?
Because I'm annoyed.
About what?
Because all of you guys wearing strong fucking polite like cologne.
Who? Where?
All of you guys.
Okay. Okay. So listen.
I've seen you. I've seen you. I've seen
Okay,
you.
I've never seen you before, Lauren. So listen
Okay.
to me. Look,
So look up the fucking surveillance
Alright,
cameras then.
Lauren,
Look up the surveillance cameras. No, look up the surveillance cameras.
We're not going to put your hands on your
Oh, so because I identified him and he disagrees, now it's
Grab that other.
Are you kidding?
We're not going to have her keep putting her hands in people's faces.
Can I explain something to you? Not under arrest.
So let me go.
We can't let you go because you're acting erratic and you're running into the street.
Alright, Lauren.
For your own safety,
Lauren.
that you're being placed in handcuffs.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Look at me. Look at me. Lauren, please. Lauren, please.
You didn't look at me when I asked you to look at me, so fuck you.
At first, officers tried to de-escalate the situation. They told Lauren she was being detained for her own safety and asked her why she was in Hoboken and whether anyone sober could come take responsibility for her. But instead of calming down, Lauren continued to act combative, physically and verbally.
Lauren.
Nope.
Lauren,
Nope.
listen to me.
I asked you to look at me, and
Lauren.
you didn't look at me like I was you look at me like I was an inferior, so I'm not
Lauren.
looking at you like you're a superior. Absolutely fucking not.
Lauren.
I have a
I hear you. No, I hear him.
know.
I hear
I'm
him.
trying to talk to you.
No, I hear it. I'd rather talk to you. I'm not talking to this fucking asshole.
Lauren, my name-
This asshole just told me I looked at him in the face.
Okay, Lauren.
That's on record.
Lauren, where are you coming from?
That's on record.
Okay, where are you coming from, Lauren?
I'm not doing anything until I get the on record that I told him I was okay.
Everything's being recorded on body camera.
I'm not doing anything until we get the audio cam that I told him I was okay.
Okay,
I'm not doing anything.
Okay, I just want to know where you're coming from.
Anyone under you is not on the scene. That 15 to Willow.
I want a lawyer.
If you're not okay,
Alright,
that you're
not
not.
I'm not talking to
You're
you.
not under arrest.
I
right now.
am not talking to you. Absolutely fucking not.
You just said you're
I want a lawyer. I say I'm not talking to you.
Stop screaming.
What are you talking about? I didn't say anything contrary to that.
Screaming. Or you're going to be
I
placed under
don't
arrest.
care.
Where do you live? Do you live in Hoboken?
No.
Is there somebody we can notify that
Nope.
you're out here?
Nope.
We're just
No,
concerned about your
okay.
safety right now.
No.
Did we give 34 an updated location?
I will be
On
fine.
the road. I told 15.
My mom is in Red Bank. She knows.
Okay, where do you live?
Fucking Rosa Park.
19. So we have the status on.
We'll preach you to Hoboken on Wednesday, Thursday night.
fucking... Are you kidding me?
It's just a question.
How fast are you on the scene? Can you step up your response?
Does it matter?
Have you been drinking?
But it's 3:30 in the morning. It's Friday morning. I'm just curious what.
You know I have friends.
What's your intentions here?
You know I have friends
Okay,
that live in different fucking boroughs.
where are they?
At home. Fucking pregnant. Fuck you! What are they gonna do? What are they gonna do? Corroborate my story that I was there? Awesome!
Maybe they
Cool.
take care of you, make sure you get home safe.
No, they're pregnant!
Stop screaming.
Yeah, anyway. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, anyway. Anyway.
ETA?
That's when officers made the decision to place her under arrest. As they tried to get her into the back of the patrol vehicle, Lauren kicked at them, resisting the entire way.
They were asked to step up their response.
Awesome. I'm such a fucking prime suspect. I am so fucking abusive. Yeah.
Lauren,
well, that's the thing.
Lauren, listen to me.
You guys are trained NYPD, and if you guys are scared of a 125-pound woman,
Ma'am,
you guys need to get better training.
Ma'am, you're in Hoboken, New Jersey.
Do you know where you are?
Yeah, I know where I am.
Where are you?
Hoboken.
It's because I just said it.
Yeah. So shut the fuck up.
Well, ma'am, stop.
If
Ma'am,
you
stop.
ever fucking pull me back again, I will fucking rock this
Hey, you're under
place.
arrest.
Oh, now I'm under arrest because you fucking... Are you kidding me? Because you... Are you kidding me? Because you just enticed
Put your
me.
hands up here.
That
Stay against the wall.
enticed me.
Stay against the wall. Stay against the car.
You just enticed me.
Stay against the
Are
car.
you kidding me?
Lauren, take a breath.
Oh, yeah. You guys were like watching me, waiting for something. I will get this fucking... Yeah. Awesome. You guys were waiting for something to
Sure,
arrest me.
can you grab this other arm while he's searching?
You were watching me with your cuffs on. You were watching
Stay
me
against the
with
car.
your cuffs on. You were watching
Against the
me.
car.
Oh my God, if you hit my head against this, if you abuse me, I never resisted.
You are
And I didn't resist. I never one time resisted.
Stop moving your
Didn't
body like that.
resist.
Stop pulling
Did
away.
not resist.
Face against the car and be quiet.
Didn't resist.
You are resisting.
No, I didn't. You just saw that and
Just so you
you...
know, you're under arrest for
Are you
aggravated assault.
kidding me?
Okay.
Yeah, because you just saw it. Oh my
Because nothing.
God.
This is all
Oh
we're doing.
my God. Yeah, that's that's what we're doing. We're doing the community assault. Yep, that's what we're doing. We're doing the community assault. Yep, it's going everywhere. Good, awesome. You want me to sit here? Good. Let me sit here.
Stop, Lauren.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You already got me for my feet up. It doesn't
Fine.
matter.
You done?
Doesn't matter. That's what I'm saying. It doesn't matter.
In the vehicle.
It doesn't matter. I just saw you
Lauren,
in the
Lauren, just
bar
take a seat.
2 minutes ago.
Lauren, just take a seat.
I just saw this asshole in this bar.
Lauren,
I just
take a seat,
saw
Lauren.
the asshole. Get a breathalyzer
Someone on the
on
side, from
him.
this side.
Get a breathalyzer
Lauren, sit
on
up, Lauren.
If you don't get a breathalyzer
Lauren, sit up.
on those officers, I'm done.
Come on, sit up like a big girl. Let's go.
Yeah, get a breathalyzer.
Go. Sit up.
Get a breathalyzer.
Get into the car.
Get a breathalyzer on those officers.
Sit upright. Let's go.
Yeah.
Put your legs in the
Get
car,
a
Lauren.
breathalyzer on those people like a big girl. Get a those people.
Let's get her up.
Get a breathalyzer.
Lauren, you gotta sit up.
No, you want to smack the door
Lauren,
in
you
my
have to
face.
sit up, Lauren.
You want to smack the door in my face. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Just do it.
Also, 32 sergeant.
Do it.
Second.
Do it, you fucking pussy. Do it, you fucking pussy. You
Over your
have the
seatbelt.
law behind you. I don't need a law behind me. I don't need law behind me. I know the law. If you touch me again, if you touch me again,
Lauren, we're just trying to get this seatbelt on you, Lauren.
It was unnecessary
Gotta put your
force.
seatbelt on.
It was unnecessary force.
Here you go, sorry.
Hey, said I was secured. He said I was secured. Oh, you're done, bro.
Relax, man.
He said I was secured. He said I was secured. You came in after the fact. Oh, I'm already secured. I'm already secured. It's in writing. If you fucking touch me with that,
Face away from me.
I don't give a fuck what your fucking language says.
Stop letting her move.
It's in there. On the record.
There we go.
Because you were dumb and fucked up. That's not my fucking fault.
Yeah. First side just when you can. We're gonna do it.
One of these doors is open or something.
Sarge, just call the doctor and let them know what you have. Female under arrest for aggravated assault. She's being transported right to Humphrey.
Following protocol, the officers transported her to Hoboken University Medical Center for evaluation. Once cleared and taken to the Hoboken Police Department, she was searched more thoroughly and secured to a bench.
You guys are so scared that I couldn't continue. I weigh 100 pounds. I weigh 100 pounds. This guy has CTE.
Yes.
We're out here, like, letting him, like,
Like you were falling down.
and now it's my fault. Ah! How the fuck is this my fault?
Things like that.
Yeah!
I thought it was a door handle.
I am not doing this. I belong to the fucking whatever they call the women. The women are asking questions, so fucking open up, Dale. The women fucking know. It's not a fucking like prized possession. Like, are you fucking kidding me? Good. Drop me off to die. I don't give a fuck. Do it! Do it! You'll never win a fucking Super Bowl, you fucking Nazi.
You going to HQ or Homestead?
Fuck you.
We're going to Homestead.
Yeah, Homestead, right.
If you never let me out of this car, you'll never win the Super Bowl. Let me out!
She's going to be charged 2 counts ag assault, 1 count disorderly conduct.
What? You have trouble what do you mean? You have
kicked
trouble
me.
housing
She
in the
kicked
car? Like,
Cora.
what is this fucking...
She's
What are we
obviously
doing
acting
here?
very erratic.
What are we doing
We're just not
here?
going to do all that.
Holding us hostage? Are you kidding me? Oh, this guy, that is fucking annoying. Fuck.
32. You have Officer Rivera respond not to you for a service.
Travis!
Receive that, sir.
Travis! Are you fucking kidding me? Travis! I'm asking you as a man! Travis! Travis! I am the wife of an NFL player! How fucking dare you? Travis! 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 Help us, please! We're stranded! Stranded! asking you if it wasn't a fucking heist. Somebody let us out, please.
Home seat ending mileage 479 33.9.
Please! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out!
Yeah, strategize.
Please!
Somebody's going to That's what I said. Two people on the other side. On a wheelchair, throw on.
From the Brit. What about just a hospital bed? Can we get her right onto a hospital?
We'll walk her. She's gonna.
Okay. Just give me a light. Not till they're ready. Tell me when you guys are ready.
Out! Let me out!
Stand over here. Stand over here.
Oh,
That's awesome,
yeah,
guys.
this,
Take a
oh,
step out.
yeah.
Lauren, take a step out.
You want it? Is this a murder
Lauren, you
scene
gotta
or
take
is
a step
it
out,
not?
Lauren.
Please.
Thank you. We're gonna go this way.
Are they fucking kidding me?
After being fingerprinted and photographed, Lauren was officially charged with 2 counts of aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer and 1 count of disorderly conduct. She was later released pending her court appearance. Now, this wasn't Lauren Mullins' first encounter with law enforcement and not even her first assault charge. Her previous arrests include January 19, 2025, aggravated assault on an officer, Roselle Park, New Jersey. December 15, 2024, aggravated assault on an officer, Roselle Park, New Jersey. October 24, 2024, disorderly conduct, Garwood, New Jersey. June 30, 2024, disorderly conduct, Westfield, New Jersey. January 2, 2023, aggravated assault on an officer, Roselle Park, New Jersey. July 26, 2022, disorderly conduct, Belmar, New Jersey. Given the pattern of behavior, officers are likely all too familiar with her name. If you found this breakdown informative, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real police bodycam footage right here on EJV Bodycam. Stay alert, stay safe.